Make yourself comfortable. Close your eyes and relax. Listen to the rain tumbling from above, creating the familiar sound that every moshi loves. The raindrops fall like sparkling diamonds, forming shimmering puddles. If this sound could hug us, it would give us lovely cuddles. As you listen to the rain, know you're safe and sound, relaxing like a blade of grass upon the grateful ground. Close your eyes and allow your head to rest upon your pillow as clouds outside cry tears of joy, weeping like a willow. Now, as the rain continues, let's take a moment. Feel your whole body relax. Let your shoulders relax. And your arms all the way down to your fingers. Feel your chest and tummy relax. And now, think about your legs. As you relax your legs, imagine your feet are super light, like feathers. And try to let any heaviness fade away. That's it. And now, wiggle your toes a little. And now let's be still. Notice your breathing. Take an extra deep breath in, and then out. In, and then out. Notice how your breathing can help you relax. That's it. Keep breathing deeply and slowly, listening to the mesmerizing moshi rain. each time you breathe out, imagine any worries leaving your mind and floating into the air like wispy clouds, slowly vanishing, fading, and now they're gone. Picture a glowing ball above your head, flickering and pulsing. In your mind, make the ball your favorite color and imagine it's filled with happiness and joy. Now picture the ball melting and let all its happiness and joy drift into your body. Now focus on your breathing and listen to the rain. Picture the rain in your mind, tumbling from the sky, giving everywhere outside a fresh and wonderful aroma. Imagine the rain falling onto a tall tree and then showering down. Picture the refreshing raindrops plopping onto the shiny little leaves at the top of the tree, then slowly rolling along each leaf, glistening as they roll. Before reaching the edge, and then slowly dropping onto the next leaves down until finally the rain reaches the ground, the grass, the sidewalks, rivers, and oceans. Picture the rain falling onto the rooftop right now. The sound is so calming. And you are inside, safe, relaxed, and cozy. You can carry on listening to the rain, letting thoughts come and go. And allowing the mesmerizing sound to relax you, calm you, surround you. Listen to the rain tumbling from above, creating that familiar sound we've learned to truly love. The raindrops fall like little diamonds, forming shimmering puddles. If this sound could hug us, it would give us lovely cuddles. As you listen to the rain, know you're safe and sound, relaxing like a blade of grass upon the grateful ground. Close your eyes and allow your head to rest upon your pillow as clouds outside cry tears of joy, weeping like a willow.